Oh, love, I pray that you break my heart so wide open that the whole world falls in. I confess I've been trying so hard to keep it all out, keep it all out. So love, I pray that you break my heart so wide open that the whole world falls in. I give up trying so hard to keep it all out, keep it all out. So love.
When we consider how embedded we are in the earth, how we are literally made of the same stuff as rivers, rocks, and roots, we can see how separating from this beautiful fecund world might be damaging to our psyches. In losing our intimate relationship with the earth, we modern humans have suffered a particular trauma that has caused our wild souls to split off. How do we heal the wounded wild? How do we reclaim our wild souls? The answer lies within each one of us.
Hi, I'm Maureen Momo Freehill, and I am one of the faculty, teachers, facilitators of the Essential Embodied Arts Training, which is the foundational program of our NatureMoves nonprofit organization based in Boulder, Colorado, based in this space, actually. This is our studio that is on many acres of beautiful wild land, including rock outcroppings and creeks and beautiful views of the toward the east and the sunrise. And we have a gathering here once a year for training ourselves to really learn about how to connect with our bodies with nature, and how to do that in a creative way that is also healing. So we use multimodal arts. We use singing and voice, we use dancing and movement, we use drawing and other forms of sculpture and making of visual art objects. We create ceremony and ritual together that is healing and brings community together for personal transformation, but also for global and collective transformation.
Love, come fall into my heart, it's wide open.
Thank you. Thank you.
Heart is wide open, heart is wide open, my heart is wide open, heart is wide